but it's dim sums now.
Elephant rides have given way to flyovers, and how? Things are changing, yet not changing, in Kolkata city. From my spot on this dome, there's so much I can see. All those tales I'll tell you now. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Once it was quantitative, now they're making memes. My age is 3 or 400, with 1,000 themes. But though the girl's a decent sort, who knows what she'll say or not. So I thought I'd come myself, we'll make a perfect team.
Behold this character, ladies